Ready once again. Racing just is started with a spring collection break. Quickly restored. Dali wins in second. Rushing about the young that is Valenzuela just again in between horses this time. Then followed now by Casilawan. Dali inside Chevron. While number 6 Play It Safe is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch with a quick is striding his spring collection on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 3 lengths lead. Then here comes the Lady Wins now trying to get closer in second. Just again Casilawan. This time Valenzuela comes next while Play It Safe is still racing in less. Another 4 turn with his spring collection. The Lady Wins now about to throw the challenge in second. And in third comes number 1. And this one is just again. And Diana entering the home stretch with his spring collection. Moving upon the young side is the Lady Wins with about 150 meters more to run. His spring collection. The Lady Wins now moving upon the young side to take the lead. And finally, it's the Lady Wins. The spring collection just again Chevron. Casilawan.
For our penultimate race number 7 this evening, our unofficial winners, entry number 3, that is the Lady Wins. Llamado na pala dito para dito sa ating daily double. Mas segundo numero 5, Spring Collection. Numero 1, Just Again. And entry number 2, Chevron. 3, 5, 1, and 2 ang ating unofficial placing. Tingnan natin ang kakatapos lang na kalena. Ito po. Muli ang tingnan ang ating replay. Ang bahaging ito ay hatid sa